So that giveaway that I did about 2 days ago, the guy was actually, the guy lives here in Houston, and he came and pick it up. Boss.
Thanks, man.
Thank you for commenting on the YouTube, man. Cool. Enjoy the shirt, man. It's nice and soft. Just a regular wash with a 3-bucket method and cleaning the rims, the underliner. We're gonna vacuum. Simple in and out. Every like 2 or 3, yeah. So what Andrew is using right now is the I.detail brush. We have these for sale in stock. This is to get to the back of the barrel. You can actually use this for multiple purposes. You could clean the engine bay. You could get into small cracks. Another one that I like, because they sell three different sizes, but a lot of the times this part doesn't get touched. So usually that little brush does come in handy. So we're gonna go ahead and use the SI-25. A little bit goes a long way. Check this out. So now that we dried the truck, we're using a quick detailer, and we're using the silica spray sealant. Even though this truck is not ceramic coated, we're still going over it with a ceramic coated ingredient. A little bit goes a long way. If we actually start wetting this part right here, it will just start dripping, water start beading just because of the silica. It does streak, so make sure you come back with a second towel, knock it off, give it a nice slick feel. We're not doing a full interior detail. This truck kind of is a little dirty in the inside. Pretty sure this is daily. And where he works at is all dusty. But we're just gonna vacuum and clean the plastics with an all-purpose cleaner. We're gonna use Adams. We're just decluttering right now. Putting everything in the box and just some toy vacuum. So we're gonna use I.detail's tire shine. So we're done with the regular wash. So we're pretty much done with that job right there. Make sure you cop these face masks to protect ourselves and protect ourselves with style. So make sure you check out the merch. And I got big plans with merch coming soon, so I'll definitely keep you guys informed on that. But so far right now we got these masks and shorts are coming soon.